good morning, good morning. Oh yeah, alright. It's been a while. Ninga and Herin Achieng Ombija. My name is Herin Achieng Ombija, and we are back to learning Luo. We're back to learning law. It's been a long time, it's been a while, but here we are back. So today we are going to use a book to learn. Wadhitiyogi book kawuono today. Wadhitiyogi book. Koro bugni, this book iluongo ni Somo Ber. This book is called Somo Ber, and it's written by Norbert Ndisio. Ndisio. I hope that's the correct pronunciation. Koro bugni iluongo ni Somo Ber. Book mar jopuonjre, a book for learners. So mae gima wadhi somo kawuono. Page mokwongo wacho ni mosruok. Ne wasepuonjre mosruok. We had learned how to say our greetings in Luo, but we're gonna go over it we're gonna start all over again. So winjo gi wacho, listening and speaking. That's what the book says. Wuoyo kod jomadongo, speaking to older people. So in the Luo culture, there's a very big difference when you're speaking to younger people, like people of a generation or people who are older than you. When you're speaking to the older people, you have to show some degree of respect to the older people. So kiwuoyo gi jomadongo are the older people. So ni picha ni maber. Look at this picture. Ang'o ma ineno? But then I found this book in the bookshop. If you're in Nairobi, I don't know if it's in Kisumu, but I guess it is. Just look for it in the bookshop. It's a very good book. It's a simple book. I've been looking for a book for the longest time to try and help me in teaching Luo, because I'm not a teacher by profession, but hey, here we are. So Bugni and Book Maber. This is a good book. So winj gima japuonj dwaro somonu. Listen to what the teacher wants to teach you. Chik iti maber. Listen carefully. Arua mosore kod dagi. So in this book, there's a child called Arua, and Arua is saying hello to Dagi. So Dani is grandma in Luo. So Arua goes ahead and says, Dani says, Oyaore Arua. Good morning, Arua. And Arua responds, Oyaore ahinya Dani. A very good morning, grandma. Then Danny goes ahead and says, Ichio nade. And Ra will respond by saying, Achio mabe. Erokamano Danny. I have woken up well. Thank you, Grandma. Erokamano means thank you in Luo. So Danny goes ahead. Grandma says, Danny says, Mano bear. That's good. Mano means that. Ver means good. So mano ber. Nyasai mondo oriti. So we call God Nyasai in Luo. And so grandma will say, that's good, mano ber. May God look after you. So then the next part of the book says, penjo. Ang'o ma onego watim ka wawuoyo gi jomadongo? What should we do when we speak to our elder people? And then, so there's a picture of two boys here, and Woyo called Jomadongo is a question. What should we do? We should show respect to our older people according to our culture. So, but what happens when you're speaking to our age mates? So there's Woyo called Mbesewa. Watch Gima Ineno Epichani. Say what you're seeing in the picture. Of course, you don't have the books, and you're only seeing the picture. And then there's a little boy called Mboya here. And Mboya has a friend called Ojala. So Mboya is speaking to Ojala and their age mates. So what do you do when you're speaking to your age mates? And then you go ahead. Mboya says, Oya re manwa. And then so they're using their pet names. And Ojala goes and says, Oya re sibur. Sibur is a lion in Luo. So if you have age mates and you want to talk to them and you want to playfully say hello to them, you can call them sibur, but that's mostly for males. And then Boya says, Ichio nade, how have you woken up? And Ojala says, Achio maber nyathiwa. Nyathiwa means mtoto wetu, or like my sibling. Or like if you want to make somebody feel close, you can call them nyathiwa. Then Boya says, Oriti osiepa. Osiepa. Osiep is friendship. Osiepna is my friend. So it's a very interesting book, actually. Beautiful. Watch Pogro Mantia King. Where did you my Okay. So the the page 4 of the book goes on to talk about play when you're playing with people. Goyo mbakagiji. When you want to speak to people, what do? And then it says, nyaka wachik itwa maber kiwuoyo kodwa. Like we have to listen very well when you're being spoken to. And then, so the two little lads, and one say, wawuoyo is school. We're speaking in school. Angoma omiyo onengo wawuo gi chir. Oh, so this is not very relevant. But then we have page 5 of the book, drama. Oh, there's a drama. Iparo ni angoma timore pichani where when we Japan. So I think we'll just pause it there and then go on and learn the other aspects of the book next time. So I hope you learned something today, like what do you call God in Luo? Yasai. What do you call your friends in Luo? Osiepna. Is there a difference between how you say hello to your friends and like older people? So we'll go over the book next time again, the few pages that we've learned today, but I think I'll just stop there because I don't want to give you too much at a time. Otherwise, you'll just end up being confused. Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Nyinga and Herin Achieng Ombija, and or you can call me Erin Achieng Aries. So that's what my YouTube channel is called, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to keep practicing. Thank you for tuning in. Erokamano, erokamano, erokamano. Thank you.